Hello and welcome students to the channel English Teacher Harsh, and today we will do the exercise related to the topic of direct and indirect speeches, and let's take 20 questions and answer them. तो आपको पहले आंसर गैस करना है, फिर आपको मेरे आंसर देने के बाद में ये कंफर्म करना है कि वेदर योर आंसर इज़ करेक्ट और इनकरेक्ट. तो चलिए करते हैं 20 क्वेश्चंस में से पहला क्वेश्चन जो कि डायरेक्ट इंडायरेक्ट स्पीचेस से रिलेटेड है. पहला क्वेश्चन है choose the correct indirect form. He said she works hard. इसका जो indirect बनेगा वो बन जाएगा he said that she worked hard. अच्छा, he said she works hard, ये है present simple और इसको चेंज कर देंगे past simple में. she works का हो जाएगा she worked hard. तो he said that she worked hard, ये पहला ही ऑप्शन इसमें करेक्ट है. फिर है she said I am reading a novel. She said I am reading a novel. She said she is reading. She said she was reading a novel. ये करेक्ट आंसर रहेगा इसका. she said I am reading. she was reading, ये सब्जेक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग चेंज हो जाएगा प्रोनाउन. ये करेक्ट आंसर है. फिर है they said we were tired. तो ये we were tired पास्ट सिंपल है, इसको पास्ट परफेक्ट में चेंज कर देंगे और had been tired, और ये हो जाएगा they had been tired. तो इसका आंसर रहेगा they said they are tired, they said they were tired, they said they had been tired. ये करेक्ट आंसर रहेगा. फिर है he said I had seen the movie. had seen पास्ट परफेक्ट है, पास्ट परफेक्ट को हम चेंज नहीं करते हैं, वैसा का वैसा ही रहने देते हैं. केवल प्रोनाउन में अगर चेंजेस होते हैं तो वो हम कर देते हैं, और बाकी सारे इन्वर्टेड कोमास वगैरह सब कुछ पंक्चुएशन मार्क्स हटा देते हैं. फोर्थ जो है he said I had seen the movie, इसका आंसर होगा he said I had seen the movie, he said he had seen the movie. ये बिल्कुल सही है. he said he has होगा ही नहीं, he so he sees, पहला ऑप्शन करेक्ट है. he said he had seen the movie. फिर है she said to me have you done your work. she said to me have you done your work, इसका हो जाएगा she told me have you done your work. she said to me told होगा नहीं, asked होगा. she asked me have you done your work. if I had done my work, ये करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा इसमें फिफ्थ में सी. फिर है they said we shall overcome it. they said we shall over, तो they said we shall overcome it, ये हो जाएगा they said. they shall और will जो दोनों ही होते हैं उनका would हो जाता है. they would overcome it. they said they would overcome it, ये करेक्ट हो जाएगा. फिर है he said I do not like noise. I do not like voice. इसका आंसर हम करेंगे he said he doesn't like, he said he did not like noise. do not like का हो जाएगा did not like. फिर है she said I must finish this today. she said she must finish that day. she said she must finish this day तो नहीं होगा. she said she had, ये भी नहीं होगा. she said she had to finish, must का had to कर देंगे. she said she had to finish that day, तो इसका हम आंसर करेंगे she said she had to finish that day. finished it नहीं होगा, finished नहीं होगा, had to के बाद में finished नहीं होता है. she said she had to finish that day, ये वाला बी जो ऑप्शन है वो करेक्ट है. फिर है John said will they attend the party. John said will they attend the party, इसका आंसर होगा John asked would they attend the party. John asked whether they attend. John asked if they would attend the party. if they would, will they attend, if they would attend the party, ये करेक्ट है. फिर है he said let me help you. he said that he helped me, he offered to help me, ये बिल्कुल सही है. he said to help me, he told me that he helped me, he offered to help me. ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज करेक्ट. फिर है 11th क्वेश्चन she said I might visit next month. she said I might visit next month. she said she may visit, she said she would visit, she said she might visit next week का हो जाएगा the following week. ठीक है. फिर है they said we like this place, they liked that place. we like this place, they liked that place. they said they liked this place, they said they liked that place. ये इसमें करेक्ट आंसर नज़र आ रहा है और यही इसमें करेक्ट आंसर है. He said to her, where are you going? He said to her, he asked her, where are you going? Where was she going? He asked her where she was going. क्योंकि ये क्वेश्चन हट जाएगा तो where she was going हो जाएगा, तो इसमें ऑप्शन ए जो है वही करेक्ट है. फिर है she said I was dancing. She said I was dancing. She said she is dancing. She said she had danced. She said she had been dancing. पास्ट सिंपल को पास्ट परफेक्ट में चेंज कर देंगे. She said she had been dancing. फिर है he said may God bless you. He said God may bless you. He said God will bless you. He prayed that God might bless me. He prayed God blesses me. ये तो नहीं होगा. 15th में होगा he prayed that God might bless me. फिर है she said to me how are you. She asked me how I am तो नहीं होगा क्योंकि ये प्रेजेंट है और पास्ट में चेंज हो जाएगा. How was I भी नहीं होगा. How I was होगा. How I was होगा. She asked me how I was. She told me ये भी नहीं होगा. She asked me how I was. 16th में C करेक्ट है. Here they said we will go there. They said we will go there. They said they would go there. ठीक है. He said I am learning Spanish. He said that I am learning Spanish. She was learning Spanish. He said he is learning. He said he was learning Spanish. इसमें B जो ऑप्शन है वो करेक्ट है. फिर है she said did you see the match. Did you see तो ये पास्ट सिंपल पास्ट परफेक्ट में चेंज हो जाएगा. She asked if I saw. She asked if I had seen. बिल्कुल सही है. फिर है he said I used to play cricket. He said he is used होता ही नहीं. He said he used to play. He said he had used नहीं होगा. He said he was used नहीं होगा. इसका आंसर होगा he said I used to play cricket. He said he used to play cricket. used to को तो चेंज करेंगे नहीं और I को जो है हम प्रोनाउन के अकॉर्डिंग ही में चेंज कर देंगे इसके सब्जेक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग. He said I used to play cricket. He said he used to play cricket. He said he used to play cricket. B इसमें करेक्ट आंसर है. तो इस तरह से 20 क्वेश्चंस आपने करे इस एक्सरसाइज में जो कि सेकंड सेट ऑफ एक्सरसाइज थी डायरेक्ट इंडायरेक्ट स्पीचेस से रिलेटेड. इसी तरह से आप प्रैक्टिस करते रहिए और देखते रहिए प्रैक्टिस एक्सरसाइजेस बाय मी. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग.